Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be doing a creamy Italian sausage and mushroom pasta. And so what you're going to need for this is your choice of pasta. I got the rigatoni, whatever it's called here, 16 ounces, 1 pound, and 1 pound of bulk Italian sausage. I like having a hot sausage, but this is just a regular because I couldn't find the hot sausage at the time I got this. Don't know if that has to do with the damage to the distributing center for the Ingles around here. It's a local grocery store chain, and to make up for that, I'm going to use some red pepper, crushed red pepper flakes. So we'll throw those in, but you can leave those out if you don't like it hot, but I like stuff a little hot. So okay, and then 2 tablespoons of butter, pound of mushrooms sliced. These are baby bellas. You can use white mushrooms, and 3 cloves of garlic, and a clove is the little pieces in the garlic, so I'll break 3 off of this. And then we're gonna do half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, and 2 cups of whipping cream, which is this carton right here. So alright, so let's get this going and see how it all turns out. Okay guys, we got the water boiling, so we're going to be cooking the pasta, which you cook as the instructions on the side of the box. So this is boil for rapid boil for 7 minutes. So we're going to put that in here, give it a good stir. Now we're going to stir this occasionally every once in a while, but for 7 minutes. So we're going to take care of this. Now, as we're cooking the pasta, we're going to go ahead and do our work on our Italian sausage. So let's go over to the Italian sausage as the pasta cooks. So we got about 7 minutes on this pasta. Okay guys, I'm going to just put a little bit of cooking spray on here, and then we are going to put in our pound of Italian sausage and get it browned up. Should just take about 4 to 6 minutes on that. So, and as it cooks, we're going to just break it up into a crumble. Get it all crumbled up into crumbles. So, alright, so we can get this going. And just remember, as you're doing this, to stir that pasta occasionally as well. So we're going to get this sausage all broken up and cooked. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll see you guys here in a few minutes when the pasta and the Italian sausage is cooked up. So here we go. Okay guys, the pasta is cooked, so we're going to put it in the strainer, drain it out, and send it off to the side here. So let me go ahead and do that, Then we're going to take care of the Italian sausage too, and then we'll move on to our next step. So let me go ahead and take care of this and drain this out and set it off to the side. Okay, our Italian sausage is no longer pink. It's all in crumbles. So we're going to take it out of here and drain it, and then we'll move on to our next step. So let's get that done, guys, and proceed on to the next. Okay guys, now we are going on to our next step, where we're going to take our 2 tablespoons of butter and put that into our skillet and melt that over medium heat. And get it good and melted here. Alright, we got the butter melted, so we're going to put in our pound of mushrooms. And our garlic. The salt and pepper. And we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of the crushed red pepper in here too. You can leave that out if you don't like it hot. So we'll give this a good stir up. And then we're going to cover this up for about 4 minutes and cook it on medium heat. So I'll see you guys in about 4 minutes. Okay guys, now we're going to take the cover off. We're going to give these mushrooms a good stir here, and then we're going to let it cook uncovered for about 2 to 3 minutes. So let all the excess water evaporate, and then we will proceed on to adding the cream. So let's get that going. So here we go. Okay guys, we're gonna shake up our creamer a little bit here. Then we're going to add the creamer into the skillet here, and give it a good stir, and then we're going to let it simmer. We turn the heat down, and we're going to let this cook 8 to 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys in about 10 minutes or so. Okay guys, we've let this thicken, the sauce thicken up a little bit. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add the Italian sausage back in, and we're going to get that heated back up, and then get it stirred in there. That is so good looking. All right, we're going to give it a minute or so to heat up. All right, there we go. Yeah. That's the right temperature. Now, for me, time for the pasta. You can put the pasta on the plate and then put the sauce and stuff on top. This is really good to do, but I like to have it all mixed in, so I'm gonna mix this pasta in here and get it stirred in there real good. Get it mixed in there. Just kind of fold it in, and sauce will get in all the nooks and crannies of the pasta and make a good meal. All right. I'm gonna get that mixed in there. All right, there we go. Okay, now we're gonna take a little bit out and put it on the plate. All right, so there we go. Let's give this a little taste test and see how it tastes now. All right, here we go. That tastes really good, guys. I love the flavor of the mushroom and the Italian sausage in there. And you got a little bit of bite from the crushed red peppers. Okay guys, this was the creamy Italian sausage and mushroom pasta. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please comment down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I really enjoy reading the comments and everything. Alright guys, well, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch other recipes like this. And I also do some sightseeing adventure videos and some food test videos as well, which come a little bit less regularly than the food, than the recipes, but I do get the chance to sprinkle them in there. Alright guys, well, I will see you in the next video, and I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll see you next time. Get ready for the rest of my day here.